Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm showing you the fastest way to create a table of contents in Microsoft Word in just a few clicks. Whether you're working on a report, thesis, or any long document, this trick will save you tons of time. Let's get started. First things first, Word uses heading styles to build a table of contents. Select the title of each section, go to the top ribbon, click on Styles, and choose heading 1 or 2 for your headings. Now that your headings are set, click where you want to insert your table of contents, usually at the beginning of the document. Then go to the References tab at the top and click Table of Contents. You'll see a few automatic styles. Choose one, and boom! Your TOC is ready. You can edit the table with font sizes and colors according to your preference. Made some edits? No worries. Right-click on the Table of Contents and click Update field. Choose to update the page numbers or the entire table, and Word will handle the rest. And that's it! Now you know the fastest way to create and update a table of contents in Word. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick how-tos and productivity tips.